Alright, so I found this video online and apparently we can earn this much money, right? I don't know if it's true or not, whether does it work or not. In this video, I'm gonna attempt it. I'm gonna do this make money online method out. So if it works or not, I'll let you guys know. Alright, so enough talking and let's dive into it.
Head over to chatgpt.com and say, make a list of 10 local business categories.
Alright, so apparently we have to key in this in ChatGPT, make a list of 10 local business categories and 10 most profitable cities, for example, barbershop in Dubai. Alright, so let's see what we have to do next. Alright, so apparently what's next is that we have to go to Google Maps over here, and then basically, we have chosen barbershop in Dubai. Alright, so I'm just gonna follow exactly whatever the video says. So over here, what he instructed us to do is that we should find barbershops in Dubai that has like less than 4.5 star ratings. Alright, so I've really tried to find the barbershops that has 4.5 star ratings or lower, but it's really difficult. As you guys can see over here, right, most of the ratings is all like 5 stars, 4.9, 4.8, 4.7. Rarely you get to see ratings that is below 4.5. So it's really rare. It's a good thing for them, but it's not really a good thing for us for this particular method. But you know what? I'm gonna try my best to find at least 10. Alright, so I'm back. Alright, so I found like 10 of them. So the first one is this Beats and Cuts Barbershop, which has like 4.3 stars. And then the other one is 4.3, another one over here. The other one is 4.4, 4.6, 4.6, 4.6, 4.6, 4.6, and 4.5, and 4.5. Alright, as you guys can see, right, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to find something that's like lesser than 4.5 stars ratings. I'm gonna go ahead and collect all of their emails, which is what the video told us to do. Collect the emails, collect the contact us information basically, and then put it in a Google document. Alright, so I'm done collecting the contact information over here. Alright, so on to the next one.
Fiverr.com, and specifically we're going to go to their affiliate program at fiverr.com/affiliates, because Fiverr is a platform where freelancers are selling different services and helping out businesses around the world, and you can refer customers.
Alright, so what we have to do next is that we have to go to Fiverr affiliates. So basically how we're going to be earning money from this entire method, right, this entire make money online method, is that we have to be promoting Fiverr services to the email addresses that we've collected, and then if they were to use the Fiverr affiliates link that we promote to them, we will get a cut. Okay, so that is basically how we're going to be earning money, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, so this is the Fiverr affiliates dashboard, and I have $0. It's pathetic. That's very sad. I'm going to change it. Alright, I'm going to change it. Hopefully we get to earn some money right here. Alright, so what we have to do next, we have to go to marketing tools right here, default and deep links over here. So these links, right, these are the links that we'll be promoting. Okay, so we're not going to be particularly promoting these links just yet, because we have to, like I said, promote the Fiverr services. Okay, so in order to do that, what we have to do next is to go over here. Alright, so this is Fiverr services websites, right? So I've searched for SEO ranking Google, and I'm going to be promoting one of these services over here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one. Alright, so over here you can see this is the payment structure. There is the basic one, standard, and the premium. Alright, so I'm gonna be promoting this. Okay, so how I'm gonna be doing it is I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna click copy link right here, and I'm gonna go back to Fiverr affiliates. Alright, we're back here, so go to deep link right here, click paste over here, and then click save. Boom. Alright, so these are the links. So if we were to use this link, right, it should bring us to the services that we have went earlier on. Alright, so let's give it a go. That's right. So this is the affiliate link. So whoever clicks on this link, and if they were to, carry on, continue and contact this person and actually engage with his services, we will earn money. Right, we earn money.
In fact, they pay instant commissions ranging from 25 to 100%. Step number 7, go back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt, which I will tell you later where to copy for free.
Alright, so what we have to do next is that we have to key in this prompt into ChatGPT, and apparently for this prompt, right, it's gonna give us the 3 different emails for us to send to all of the emails and all of the the barbershops in Dubai that we have collected, right, all of their contact us information. We're going to send it to them, and we will have to put in the affiliate link, and like I said, if they were to click on it, if they were to engage on it, if they were to actually engage successfully with the services that we promote to them, we will get a cut. Right, we will get a 25% to 100%. All right, so the next step, right, in order to promote, right, instead of just emailing cold outreach, right, instead of just doing that, instead of just depending solely on that, right, in order for us to promote the Fiverr affiliate links that we have generated from Fiverr, what we can do is we can utilize Medium right here. Okay, so we can use Medium. We can write a blog post. We can write a blog post that is SEO optimized, right? So how we're going to be doing that is that we're not going to be writing it ourselves, right? No thank you. No thanks. I'm not going to do that. So what the video told us to do is that we can use ChatGPT to go ahead and generate us the SEO optimized articles over here. And then afterwards, we can just paste it over here. And we can also include the affiliate links inside here. Alright, so this is a prompt that he gave us. So I'm going to go ahead and click send right here. Alright, so we're done generating the blog post from ChatGPT. I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this and I'm going to paste it at Medium.
And just insert it with one press of a button.
Alright, so this is the blog post that I've copied from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead, right? I'm going to go ahead and click over here. Click here to hire professional. So instead of this, the default link, which is the Fiverr, I'm going to paste the link that I've generated from my Fiverr affiliate dashboard website. Alright, so I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna delete the hyperlink, and then I'm gonna paste a new hyperlink, which is this. Boom! That's it. Simple as that. Alright, click here, which is the link to the SEO Google optimized service, right? That guy. Alright, and then hopefully if anyone reads this, right, reads this blog post, and then if they were to click on this hyperlink, hey man, I'll get paid. I'll get paid. Hopefully you get paid, right? So I'll let you guys know if you get paid or not. Boom. Alright, so my story is published and hopefully we get some clicks onto the call to action button, and I'll let you guys know if I actually earn anything from here. Alright, so the last step is to go ahead and email, right? Do the cold outreach, go and email the barbershops in Dubai with all of these emails that ChatGPT has given to us. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the first one right here, email number 1. And then I'm gonna go ahead to Gmail, right? Gmail.com first. Alright, so I'm done generating the email. So this is the recipient over here, the barbershop at Dubai, one of them. This is my title and this is the email, right? But the main thing is over here, check this out. Schedule now. Alright, so over here, right? The now section right here, this is the Fiverr affiliate hyperlink. Alright, so if this guy were to, click on it, like I said, he arranges the payment and everything else, and he actually confirms that he wants to engage this person's service, and then we'll get paid. Straight up, we'll get paid. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and click send right here. Alright, done. So message send right here. Alright, so if you guys really want to know whether they work or not, you guys can click the first link at the description box down below, and what is inside is that you guys can see whether all of those make money online videos on YouTube, all of those, YouTubers, they always talk about how much they can actually earn this amount, that amount, and I actually go ahead and try them out. Alright, so if you guys want to know is it true or not, whether does it work or not, click the link below and you guys can see over here, this is all of the information that I've already accumulated, I've already collected, that I've already generated by myself, and you guys can go through each and every one of them. It is all inside, and currently right now, right, it is free for 7 days. Alright, so if you guys want and if you guys are interested in this, click the link below and I'll see you guys inside.